Hi everyone, my name is Aviral Sharma, and this video is regarding discussion of the development environment and Bitbucket branching for the EForT web application. And our product owner and mentor is Dr. Masood Sajjadi. So let's go to the Bitbucket. So this is uh, Bitbucket where the all our deployment happens for the EForT web application. EForT, which is short for Empowered Forex Trader. So let's click on this. So these are the three repositories which we have built for our EForT, which is database, EForT DB, which stands for database, EForT web API, and EForT web application. EForT web API is the link between the database and the application, which means it fetches the data from the database and provide it to the application. And the web app repository is where all the development regarding the user story happens. So the tools which I'll be using is Visual Studio for all the development, and for the database tables and everything, SQL Server Management Studio. So let's go. So I have already linked Bitbucket into the Visual Studio, so we can see all three repository here as perfectly synced with on the Bitbucket. So let's click on database and solution. So this is the solution for database where we can see various elements such as schema, scripts, tables. These are the tables which we have built pre-development sample tables such as titles, states, countries, and users. And now let's come to branching. To build a branch, the beauty of branch is that various users which will be working in a Scrum environment simultaneously, so all those users can develop and work simultaneously and commit their changes independently to the repository, and nothing will affect the final thing. The final thing can be done after the review and after the whole thing is finalized. So since nothing before the testing, pre-testing, everything can be done in their test repositories, test branches, sorry. So let's try and create one of the branch for a repository web app. We click here and then we go to branches. We go to new branch. The first thing which we have to see that we are in correct user. So I've selected this and then I have to select correct branch, which is this. Now let's try and create. So this is new branch which has been created under web app where I can do my own development. So if I want to create a change somewhere in the database, like in the users table, if I want to change something, example, this zip code is of the type varchar. If I want to change it to int, I will do it here. and I can see this red tick which says pending edit. So if I'll save this, which I have changed from varchar to end, this will get changed, and this red tick which says pending edit will be converted to check-in, and this will be done after I click on commit. So I will name my commit. This is a name of the change which I'll be saying, like test commit, and it should be under my name which I have checked. That is correct. And I'll say commit all. Now this commit is not happening since the permission is denied from the database. So when the permission will be there, this commit can happen easily. So this is the way I'll commit the changes. And looking at the database, this is the EForT database which we have referenced to our project. These are the tables, and I have made my own local table to do my development, to make the tables according to the user stories which have been assigned to me, and then I will be deploying it to the main database. So that's all for the branching and the development environment. Thank you.